Hey there, Natasha here, Realtor in Charleston. I'm coming to you today with a quick market update, and this one's a little bit more about listing or not listing your home during the holidays. So typically we see a lot of folks take their homes off the market because they don't want to have showings during the holidays. I would tell you that this year is not the right time to do that. I would say put your home on. There are a lot of people that aren't traveling out of the country this year during the holidays. A lot more people are going to be around town looking, and inventory is historically low. So we're about 45% less homes on the market than we were this time last year. So we definitely need your home on the market. With the historically low interest rates as well, we are seeing a lot of buyers flooding the market looking for homes in Charleston. So normally we like to see people take their homes off the market this time of year for the holidays. I would say it's a really strong strategy to keep your home on the market. There is really low competition and a lot of buyers out looking. So if you have more questions about that, feel free to reach out to me. I'm at this beautiful new construction project in Mount Pleasant, about to go inside and check it out. And if building is an option for you, or if you have questions about building, I can also help you with that. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.